Are you ready to take your blogs to the next level? Well, here is the thing. If you're not blogging legally, you're missing out on some serious benefits. In this video, I'm going to reveal the top reasons why blogging legally is an absolute game changer for your success. From protecting your blog from fines and lawsuits to unlocking monetization opportunities and gaining the trust of your audience, you don't want to miss out. So grab your coffee, sit back, and get ready to discover why blogging legally is the key to unlocking your blog's full potential. But before we get started, I wanted to clarify that although I'm a lawyer by profession, I'm not your lawyer, and so this video does not constitute legal advice. By the information I will share is for educational purposes only. So please take a moment to read my full disclaimer at the link in the description box below so that we all know where we stand. Alright, let's dive in. As a blogger, you need to comply with several laws and regulations that oversee online activities. This can include data protection and privacy laws, copyright laws, advertising regulations, and disclosure requirements. By ensuring compliance, you avoid legal trouble and protect yourself from potential fines, lawsuits, and headaches. But not only that, no matter what type of blog you run, there are 5 key reasons why you absolutely need to stay on top of the legal stuff. Let's delve into each of the reasons and explore why they matter so much. The first reason why you should blog legally is simply because it's the right thing to do. Complying with legal requirements is not only an ethical obligation, it's not just about following the rules, but it's about showing respect for your readers and your audience. These laws and regulations exist to protect them, and by complying with them, you're showing that you care about their rights and their privacy. It's all about creating a safe and trustworthy space where they can engage with your content, feel comfortable sharing their thoughts, subscribing to your newsletters, and buying from you. Moving on to the next reason, let's talk about how being legally compliant can actually make you look more professional, trustworthy, and credible. When you have all the necessary legal pages on your blog, it shows that you mean business. Even if you're just starting out, having those pages in place sets you apart from the rookies. It gives off a vibe that you're serious about what you do and that you value your audience trust. Not only that, some legal requirements are pretty much the golden standard everywhere. So if everyone else is playing by the rules and you're not, it's gonna raise some eyebrows and you don't wanna look sketchy. By meeting those legal requirements, you're staying in line with industry standards and showing that you're a legit player in the blogging world. Before I move on to the next reason, if you want to protect your blog from thieves and copycats, you can grab my free copyright notice template. You can use this copyright notice over and over for anything you create, your blog, your freebies, your digital products, courses, ebooks, printables, and more. Click the link in the description box below to get your copy for free today. Moving on to the next reason, you want to avoid financial penalties and legal disputes. By meeting all legal requirements, you protect yourself from potential fines, lawsuits, and formal complaints to supervisory authorities. Legal requirements aren't just ethical guidelines, they're the law. Failure to comply can expose you and your blog to financial risks such as hefty fines or legal action. For example, without proper disclaimers and terms of service, you may be held liable for any misinformation or damages resulting from the use of your content. Taking care of the legal aspects mitigates these risks, protecting your blog and personal assets. And if you're thinking, yeah, but they're going after the big fish, not a small blog with 200 subscribers, well, think again. Many small blogs have been fined, and under some regulations, your users have the right to lodge a complaint to the supervisory authorities against you or sue you. It takes one unhappy subscriber to get you in trouble. Plus, if large companies like Facebook or Google may survive hefty fines in the range of millions, the same can be said for small bloggers. Imagine getting hit with a fine for a few $1,000s when you're just starting out. That could seriously set you back and even force you to shut down your blog. Lawsuits are a major headache. They eat up your time, drain your energy, and take your focus away from what really matters: creating valuable content and growing your blog. Which leads us to the next reason. The next reason why you should blog legally is because you want to avoid the need to sue others. It's much better to proactively protect your blog from potential legal issues and establish your legal protection right from the start than dealing with the legal messes down the line. Legal disputes, regardless of whether you're in the right, are always time-consuming, stressful, and costly. They're distracting and take you away from your primary goals. As a blogger, time is your most important asset. The last thing you need is to get caught up in legal disputes that could have been avoided. Keep your focus on what really matters, connecting with your audience, producing content, and growing your blogging business. Alright, let's get to the good stuff. The next reason why you should blog legally is that when you have all your legals in order, you're not just protecting yourself, you're also unlocking doors to more opportunities and monetization channels. So besides the peace of mind of being legally protected, having all your legal ducks in a row make you look legit and trustworthy in the eyes of clients, potential affiliates, and partners. By complying with legal requirements, you're paving the way for additional revenue streams. Many monetization opportunities such as affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and advertised networks require compliance with specific legal requirements as a prerequisite for joining. Without the necessary legal pages and disclosures, you may be ineligible to participate in such programs, limiting your revenue potential. For example, one of the top reasons new bloggers get rejected when they apply for Google AdSense is because they don't have a privacy policy on their website. And the same goes for other ad networks. Don't let that happen to you. Plus, you will build trust with your audience and convert them into repeat customers. People buy from people they trust. When you show your audience that you're transparent with them and respect their rights and privacy, they will trust you and be more likely to buy from you. And as an extra bonus, search engines love websites that are legally compliant. By having your legal page set up, you're signaling to search engines like Google that you're a trustworthy site. This can boost your rankings, driving more traffic to your blog and giving you even more opportunities to make money blogging. So staying on top of the legal stuff is not just about avoiding trouble, it's about seizing opportunities, building credibility, and taking your blog to the next level. It's totally worth the effort, and if you want to save time and make sure you meet all the legal requirements, you can get my legal bundle value pack, which comes with legal templates to get all your legal pages done in less than 10 minutes. Click the link in the description box below to check out the legal bundle value pack and get your legal sorted in a matter of minutes. If you want to dive deeper into what is required to blog legally, then watch this video next, where I'll walk you through all the legal pages you must have on your blog to meet all legal requirements and protect yourself legally. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao e a presto!